Hello everyone and welcome in this second video tutorial of AnimalTA. If you missed the installation video and that you have difficulties installing the program, I invite you to go to check the first video of this playlist. Now, in this video today, what we will see is how to create a new project and how to manage the videos inside a project. Once you open AnimalTA, you have a first interesting thing, which is this information panel. So this information panel is always visible and it will give you some advice about what to do. For instance, here, if I'm a bit lost, I can go read what is my information panel telling me, and it tells me that I need either to create a new project or to load an old one. So of course, this is the first time that we are using AnimalTA, so we will create a new project. To create a new project, just press this little button here. And now you will have to indicate to AnimalTA where you want to save this new project. In my case, I want to create my project in this folder, give him a little name, so tutorial video, and let's save it. As you can see, we now have a project with a project name here, and we have some new options. We can add videos, begin tracking, or run analysis. Of course, these two last options won't work for the moment because we don't have video yet. So the next step will be to add some videos. But just before that, I would like to show you what happened when we created the AnimalTA project. So in the folder in which we choose to locate our project, we now have two things that have been created. The first one is an AnimalTA file, so it's this one. And it is where the project itself is. So you will be able to open this file from the program. The second thing that's been created is a project folder. So this one, for the moment, as you can see, it's completely empty, but this is where everything you will do will be saved. For instance, this is where the coordinates of your animals will be saved. Now let's get back to AnimalTA itself and add these videos. Press the Add Video button and just indicate where the videos you want to add are located. So you can see here that in my case I have 10 videos, but that not all of them have the same format. So don't worry about that, because AnimalTA will convert every video that's not in a good format for it. Now the program asks me to convert the videos, and this might take a bit of time, so I will see you just after that. Well, my videos are now converted, and as you can see, they appear inside the project. So we have here a kind of big table with one row per video. Just before going in the details of the table, I would like to show you what happened to the converted videos. As I explained you before, when you create your AnimalTA file, this one, a project folder was also created in the same location. When we checked before, this project was completely empty, but now, as you can see, there is a subfolder called Converted Videos, and inside this subfolder, you will find all the videos that have been converted. Okay, let's go back to AnimalTA itself now. So I will explain a bit the organization of the project. So as I told you, the project is in fact a big table with one row per video. If you have too much video to be displayed on the screen, you can move through them using either the mouse wheel or this little scroll bar here at the right of the table. One first thing you can do is to change the name of the video. As you see, for the moment, the name of the video is the name of the original file. But this name, very often, if you are using your video directly from your camera, you will have this kind of video name, which are very obscure and doesn't mean a lot for your experiment. So what you can do is just change the name of the video to something a bit easier to interpret. So this won't affect the name of the file of the video. For instance, if I go to check here, my video still have the same name. It doesn't change at all. It's just that from now the program will use this name instead of the original one. If, let's say you made a mistake, you renamed the video and now you are a bit lost, you don't remember what was the original name of the video, you always have this cross button that change the name that you wrote for the original one. A little thing that might help you to have an idea about what is the video behind its name is this eye symbol here. So if you put your mouse over the eye symbol, you will see the first frame of the video. Now that we added videos in the project, we want to be able to manage them. There are three options to manage video, which are represented by these three symbols. So as you can see, each video proposes the three options. The first option is this red cross, which means suppress the video. So if I press my suppress button, you will have a little warning message. If you want to suppress the video, you just press yes. In my case, I don't want, but if you do, you will just remove the corresponding row. Then you have two other options. The second one is duplicate a video. So when I press my duplicate video button here, I will create a new row inside my table. And this new row is exactly the same as the one before, except for the name, because you cannot have two videos inside your table with the same name. So, for instance, if I try to rename it like the other one, the program doesn't like it at all. And that's it. So this can be useful, for instance, if you want to analyze two different videos in the exact same way. So you prepare your video, then duplicate it, and like this you can just run different analyzing for both of them. Or let's say that you want to analyze in a way the 10 first minutes and in another way the 10 last minutes. So this is an option. In my case, I'm not really interested in this copy, so I will suppress it. One last point is the concatenate button, this one here. So let's have a look. So here, as you can see, all my videos are 3 minutes long, except these two ones that my camera chose to crop in the middle. So instead of having a 3-minute video, I have two 90 seconds video. So concatenation is made to fix this problem. So how to do it? I have my first video here, so I want to concatenate it with the second part of the video. So just press the concatenate button here and then the second video that you want to be pasted after the first one. So you have again a warning message. I say yes. And now, as you can see, I have a 3 minutes video and my second video disappeared because she's now included in the first one. And of course, I can change the name because I'm not interested in this part 1 anymore. Well, I think we now arrive at the end of this tutorial, so I invite you to go to the next video tutorial and I wish you all a very good day.